Hello all and welcome back. Today we are going to create this beautiful animation using PowerPoint. Let's get started. This tutorial has animation portion only. For design portion, please check out 4-step infographic playlist and video number 35. Let's first move apart each elements of this design and check how many shapes needs to be animated. It's always good to do this pre-check. We will have similar shapes in other 3 design segments. Press Ctrl plus Z to undo all changes. Let's enable the animation pane and start our animation process. Apply wipe animation to first line shape and change the direction from top. Apply wipe animation to next line shape, change the direction from top and start it after previous. Continue to apply wipe animation to other 2 lines and start them after previous. Let's quickly preview the animation. Looks perfect. Next, select both rounded rectangle shapes at the center and apply zoom animation. Start them after previous, set the delay of 0.25 second for second animation. Now select the shadow shape and apply wipe animation. Change the direction from left and start it with previous. Select both PNG icon and text shape and apply zoom animation. Start them after previous and let's preview animation once again. Looks perfect. Next, select 3 circle shapes from top design segment and apply zoom animation. Set the delay duration of 0.25 seconds between each of these animations, and that gives ripple effect between these circle shapes. Select the shadow shape and apply wipe animation. Change its direction from top and start it with previous. Finally, select PNG icon and text field and apply zoom animation. Start them after previous and let's preview the animation once again. Looks perfect. Continue to apply similar set of animations to other 3 design segments. So here is the final preview. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.